We have several items and elements on the ruler. As I mentioned before, the gray side it is margin. But we have also some shapes. If I grab the bottom side and move it, as you see, it is increasing the indentation. But I could grab the top side and move it separately. You see, now actually I defined like hanging for indentation, which it is not only for this item setting. If, as an example, I select my text and add the bullet, now you see the first one, it is the position for the bullet. And the bottom side, it is actually the indentation and the spacing for text, which they move together. If you want to see the changes accurately, actually I could give you a very special trick. Hold on the Alt or Option key and then start dragging. You see, it is showing the distance and the change measurement, and I think it is very cool. Also for the right side, allow me to set adjusted. Alright, Alt or Option and drag, and you could see the exact measurement unit. Double click on these sections, these items, the paragraph dialog box will open. If I double click on the ruler middle, you will see the page setup, anything not icon size. And if I single click, we have some shapes which I will mention about that. They are tab stops. So actually ruler, unlike the appearance very simple, it is complicated and have several features. So again, we have the indentation for the text. We have the element separation starter. From both sides, we have the margins. By double click on these icons, you could open the paragraph setup. By double click any empty area, you could open the page setup. And by simply clicking on the horizontal ruler, you will see the tab stop. On the vertical one, it doesn't matter because there is no tab stop actually in vertical mode. And finally, if I hold on the Alt or Option key and start dragging, you will see the distances and measurements.